People sometimes say to me, how could bad AI even hurt us? It doesn't have a body. It lives in the computer. And I think that's a little short-sighted for a couple reasons. Among them, that I think people are sleeping on stuff that drones can already do now. So the stack is $1,000 drone, free open source facial recognition software, gun. And then with Computer Science 101 and not too much engineering work, you've got a flying gun that can pick out faces. And we actually just vibe coded all the software for the back effort to like put those things together. So in military parlance, a precision weapon is one that only deletes the target that you want it to. An atom bomb is a dumb weapon in that it will eliminate 100,000 people, it will destroy buildings and infrastructure, but a precision weapon can pick a person out of a crowd or can remove the people and leave all of those buildings. I think we have entered an era of AI-guided precision weaponry, and mostly no one has noticed. So yeah, I can think of a couple ways that the AI could get rid of us. I call this one Mario Mangione.